Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Deepak Kumar, co-founder of Trade Achievers. In this video we are going to look at preview and review show. So market has closed now, so let's take a look how the market is going to perform in the coming days. So good evening guys. As we usually start, let's start with our Nifty review today. If we take a look at Nifty, we don't see any correction patterns. We don't see any possibility for correction in the market. So market is an uptrend in Nifty. We can expect the market to rally. If the market closes below this level, which is around 17,287, if the market closes below this level, we can expect a little bit of correction there. So Nifty now, it is not in a correction zone. We can expect a correction, but it is in an ultimate uptrend. So we can buy in Nifty if you want to. This is for Nifty. And for Bank Nifty, if you take a look at Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty is in a correction zone now. So we can expect the Bank Nifty to come a little downwards. After the downwards movement, it is an ultimate uptrend. As we can see in the daily time frame, it's in a clear uptrend. We are expecting a correction. It may come around a little downwards, maybe around the retracement of 0.5 or 0.618. We can expect the market to come on around here, which is the level of. It may come a little bit downwards, which is around 36,000, not 32. If the market continues its rally down, it may come around this level, which is around 36,000, not 32. After the market has given the trend reversal there, they can go for buy in Bank Nifty also. So Bank Nifty is now in a correction zone. So this is for Bank Nifty. And if you take a look at gold, gold is also in an uptrend. As Kishore sir has previously said, we have a strong support, strong resistance around this level, which is around 1830. So after the market has given us the bounce back here, we can always expect a bounce back at the level of resistance. So this is a bounce back here. We can call it as a correction also, a retracement. After the retracement is over, then gold will also continue its uptrend, up rally. So don't be afraid, don't be troublesome. If the market gives you a low in gold, try to accumulate as much as you can. Try to accumulate as much as you can in the gold market. So don't worry if the market comes down, it's only a correction. Try to buy as much gold as you can. So this is for your review and preview for today. So alright guys, these are the patterns which are forming in the market. So let's wait and see how the market is going to perform. I hope this video was useful to you. Thanks for stopping by. Take care.